Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add or invite any bot to your Discord server. So let's get started. First, basically go to the top.gg website in your any web browser. After you go in the website, all you have to do is look for the bot. Decide on the bot you want to add to your Discord server. You can browse bots like from top.gg Discord bot list or bots.ondiscord.xyz, and once you have found a bot you want to add, look for an invite button or a link that says add to Discord and click on it to start the authorization process. So after you click on it, you will be prompted to select the Discord server where you want to add the bot. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to add bots to the server. Now choose one of the server and review the permissions the bot is requesting and click the authorize to proceed. Now simply tap on the continue option or button available there. Now review all these and tap on the authorize. Now after this, depending on the bot, you may need to complete additional verification systems such as solving a CAPTCHA or logging into your Discord account if you are not already logged in. Once the bot has been successfully added to your server, you will receive a confirmation message like this. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.